Hey guys, what's going on? I'm doing an update on Stealth Surge Trader by Roger Scott. So I've been trying to do videos every time a trade closes, and this is turning into one of my favorite services of recent times because you can see here up the top the way he keeps track of all the ongoing track record, which is fantastic. So he has stock statistics, option statistics. You can see the profit factors, which are greater than 1, so 2.19, which is phenomenal for the stock stuff he does, and 1.81, which is still phenomenal for the profit factor on his option stats. I've been doing his options trades. Look at these gains. So the total gains is $131,390. Total losses are 72, which gives a profit of 58,000 over the course of all these outlined option prices. And these are legit. I've been following them, and he's putting them in accurately, and he's keeping a tally accurately. So this is one of the best spreadsheets out there from any of these gurus. This is a swing trading service, so you can see that the days held range from 10 to 1 day. So sometimes you're in and out in the same day, but most of the time the average hold is about 3 to 5 days, I think, is usually how long it takes. Medium hold time's 5 days here. Same for the options. So I've been trading the options, and the last one was ICE, I-C-E. This was alerted on the 4th, I think, of October. So I'm just trying to scroll along here. So looking here, this is the top line. Get rid of this. So entry date here, hopefully you can see that. I can zoom in. 10-4. Buy price for the stock was 162.6. Exit date was 10 days later on the 14th. Percentage return on the stock was modest, 1.1%, as you'd expect. 10 days held. These were the option prices. So November 15th call, 165 strike. Entry was at 375. Exit was at 445. That was 10 days later. Options was $70, 18% return, which would be $933 on a 5K position. So this is his total running track record now. So it's phenomenal. So let's look at the thing for ICE here. This was the 4th when he got in, so I'll just mark it kind of up here. And he just got out up here 10 days later. So the 4th to the 14th right here. The cool thing is there was plenty of time to get in at a lower price, and I actually took my first position right here. And then actually sold pretty quickly on the next day spike right here. And I got 23% because basically you can see the difference between these two is not as much as the difference between these two. And time decay hadn't taken me down a bit, and maybe I got lucky with some volatility as well. Let me show you what happened here. So this was my brokerage fill at 260. So I got significantly cheaper than him. And 260, and this was on the 7th. And ICE got filled for me on the 8th, so an overnight hold at 340, which is a 23% gain. So I didn't do that much better, but I did it quicker, partly because of luck, partly because I just let this thing sell off a bit. I like to get in after gurus if possible, and obviously I piked here, and I could have got a lot more if I just held until his exit. Probably would have done 50 or 60% in profits. So you can play these differently. I didn't follow him exactly, but his thesis worked well, and my thesis worked quite well too. I knew this was going to be a rebound play, and he actually said that in some of his like due diligence on this. So we go, this is like his tracker. If we go to the actual trade alert tab, let's see, I need to zoom out to do that. Back to dashboard. So this is, remember, this is called Stealth Surge Alerts. It's a swing trading service. It's one of the best out there that I've found. Trade tracker, trade alerts is right here. So you can see the time-stamped alerts that came out. So this one was right here. And he actually did an update on the 8th. So you can see there was the 4th here. And then basically there was an update on our position at ICE. And this is when I got in thinking that it would rebound. So that's how I got down 30%. The market was very weak yesterday, so the downside price action was experienced but not unexpected. We experienced was not unexpected. The stock's still far above the 50-day moving average. So basically I took advantage of this rebound potential, and it paid off quite nicely for me. I still didn't make as good a percentage as he did though. He got out at 445 a little bit later, another 8 days later or something. So yeah, pretty nice. Worked really well. If you want to join this service, it's a little bit convoluted to do, but this page here, I can put a link in the description for you guys to go and check out. It'll take you to this page, which is basically you sign up with your email and you get redirected to a webinar that Roger Scott, the guy behind this program, put together. The webinar is good, but it's a little bit extended, but don't worry, you can basically get emails after that. So he'll send you follow-up emails giving you more information on how to sign up for the service, the Stealth Search service. So definitely check it out. The emails are well worth it. I found the webinar to be a little bit lengthy, and I didn't watch it all. So, but the emails that have been following up after that have been phenomenal, with more details about the program and some testimonials and things. So I'll leave that link in the description below. Make sure you go and check it out. This is one of my favorite swing trading services at the moment. It's definitely worth a look. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.